everyone. You're good? You see my video, everything? You're hoping good. Now let's try to make a Oreo cake. It's very good. Yummy, it's my favorite. We need a packet, 2 packets of Oreo biscuit, then baking powder, then normal milk. Now let's start it. We need one of your parents. Come please, mommy.
Okay.
We need to grind the biscuit in the mixer. After grind, the mixer will look like this. Let me, which is very fat, like an Oreo, when to crush. Look, this is fat and this is fat. Let me taste. Yummy! Then now, let's put a baking powder. Look. Now, let's mix everything. Gradually, it looks like this, but when we put like this, now it's very much yummy things we have preparing. Then let's put a one roll like this. Then let's put it down and put a little bit of the milk. Then we take up and put it. Now let's mix with a spatula. This is a spatula like this. Now go. It's very fun to mix it with your mommy and daddy, or your brother and sisters, big brother, big sister. Oh, 1 minute. Turning dong dong ding dong like this. It's stopped.
We have preheated the oven. Say
We have preheated the oven. Like oof, oof, oof. Our batter is ready. Look. Now I need to taste. Yummy! So what we'll do, we have grease this pan
with the butter and the cocoa powder.
with the butter and the cocoa powder.
Now let's pour that.
Now let's pour that. You need one of your parents. Mommy, my mommy will come. Mommy, please come.
Okay, baby.
We need to tap it. Tap, tap, tap. So air will go out. Then we need to decorate it up. 1. It's very much. Let's put this apple first. butter. Now we need to put it in the oven for
20 minutes
20 minutes.
for 180 degree.
180 degree. For 20 minutes. Look the cake. What is he doing here? Let's open up. The Oreo will love to open up. We pour in the bowl, but let's not fast it.
Aditi, what are you doing? Come on, keep it down. Shh. Aditi, show me your face.
Hello? I am Mr. Monster. Our cake is ready, but it's very hot. Let it cool, it's hot. Look, I love. Look, it's like a flower. No, yes. Yes, it is. I love flower. I will eat soon. When I eat, my mommy will do a video. Bye. Now my mommy will remove in the plate. Look how my mom is doing very fast.
It's very hot.
It's very hot. You know, no? It is coming, yours. My mommy will help me. Yeah. Too fast, mommy. Your hand will fracture. How you do? Take the empty box.
Manna, wow.
Wow, look. Can I help you? No, thank you.
See our cake.
See our cake is good. Look. Nice cake. Yummy. It's my mommy do a one piece. It's too spongy. It's hanging. Very nice. I love it. Bye. Subscribe to my channel.